To batch convert CSV files to TTAL files, use the TTAL converter. First, make sure you have a DubScript or TTAL validator role in Starship. Then, go to the following URL. I'll give you a moment to write it down. Drag the batch of CSV files into the File Upload area. Or, use the file picker to select the batch of CSV files you wish to convert. Select frame rate, and script type from the drop-downs. Then pick the target language and original language from the drop-downs. Lastly, select Convert. And there you go! This will download a zip file with the converted TTAL files. Have questions? Email ttal_format@netflix.com. Thanks for watching.